Hey everyone, it's Brian, back with another fidget print. Today we're printing Finger Treads Fidget Track Print in Place by MottN on MakerWorld, MottN on MakerWorld. So as part of printing this today, I'm going to show you how I prepare the plate completely. I'm going to show you how I sync everything. I'm going to show you how I duplicate objects. And then I'm going to finally show you how I split the print into 50-50. One color and then another. So let's go do it. I've already imported the model into Bambu Studio just because that takes a second to load. I know that I have enough time, because I've already kind of looked at this a little bit earlier, to do 4 of these. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to sync my AMS. So that's my multi-material machines that hold all my colored reels out in the garage. All right. Now he wants half black and half purple. So we're going to take the first object and we're going to change it to black matte. And then I'm going to duplicate it by hitting clone. We're going to make 3 copies. And then I want it to arrange them nicely on the plate, so I'm going to click arrange. All right. Now we want to tell it to print half the layers in black and half the layers in purple. But what you have to do first is you slice it first. All right, now that we've sliced it, we have this bar over here on the right-hand side that lets us drag through the layers to preview them. What I'm going to do is, I know there's 100 layers here, right? So I'm going to go down to layer 51, right-click on it, and we're going to say change filament to this nice purple color. Once that's done, you slice it again and hope that Bambu Studio doesn't crash, because that happens sometimes too. Awesome. Okay, so now if we drag the preview slider through all the layers, we can see it starts out black, ends up purple, but you know what? I still don't like the way these are arranged. Just, it's like, got the wrong Zen flow to me here for some reason. Let's try to arrange it again. There we go. That looks much nicer to me. And now I didn't have to do that. I just did it because it looks better to me. That's all. There's no like technical reason we had to actually rearrange those. So, all right, cool. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be half purple, half black. Let me send it to the printer. Print queue. Leave all this on. Send. All right, that's getting sent off to the printer. We'll check it out in the morning, see how it looks. See you then. All right, it's the morning. Let's open it up and check it out. Very cool. Let's give it a flex. Ah! Cool. It's another fidget in the books.